Hello, this is Jacques from Pivotal, and thanks for watching this short video based on a true story about something very specific within our Pivotal Greenplum Marketplace offering on top of Microsoft Azure. Let me introduce you to John, our data engineer from Acme Corp. Acme leverages Pivotal Greenplum from the Azure Marketplace because it was so push-button easy to get started. They have a pretty powerful cluster with a master host and 32 data hosts. Suddenly, John finds himself with a cell phone blowing him up. Azure has detected a problem and one of the virtual hosts is down. It's 9 a.m. and John is scared. This is a mission-critical deployment and he needs to make sure we're operating at 100%. John needs to get in front of his computer and onto the cluster as soon as possible. The sprint ensues, but meanwhile, thanks to the features of Azure, the downed host is replaced about a minute and a half after it's discovered. John hasn't yet even reached his computer. Add to that the Pivotal Greenplum self-healing feature within Azure, while John is still getting logged into the cluster, and less than 5 minutes later, the Pivotal Greenplum database has healed itself. A total elapsed time of 6 minutes, and the cluster is back to 100%. So, John is ecstatic. 6 minutes from problem to resolution, with 0 downtime, and with 0 operational DBA support. John can spend his time on less mature databases, and his users can continue enjoying the parallel power of Postgres with Pivotal Greenplum. Thanks for listening, and head to the Azure Marketplace to try it for yourself.